Digital Appliance Cooking Workshop. I'm Kale and I'll be your host for this event. I know it's really bright and early, but nevertheless, thank you for everyone who's coming here and everyone who's present, especially to our friends from the media who are all set up to accept today's culinary challenge. I hope you're all excited as I am witness how we can create a perfect staycation haven from Samsung Digital Appliance. Also, gracing our event is no other than our cooking expert for this cooking series, Samsung Digital Appliance Ambassador and renowned culinary master in the country, Chef Ernest Gala. Ready, Chef?
Hi! Hello,
It's truly an honor to have such an esteemed culinary master who will be hands-on in teaching us new recipes we'll proudly prepare, especially during this rainy season, as well as we share with others. So, guys, I'm so excited. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah. Time flies and now we are already entering our 5th cooking workshop. For the past months, we haven't conducted monthly cooking workshop for groups with various interests that features seasonally apt themes. As the month of August starts approaching, rainy season comes with it, and sometimes we have no choice but to stay indoors, right? Smart oven. Let me just give you brief features about it. So it has a slim fry technology which allows our food not to cook without oil. So it also has a trickle distribution system which allows our heating function to be distributed evenly. It also has a microwave plus grill and convection. And it also has a ceramic enamel which features an antibacterial protection, scratch resistant, and easy to clean. So, once again, thank you very much to our friends from the media and of course Chef Ernest for being here today. Enjoy the rest of the morning. Happy cooking.
Samsung Smart Oven, Samsung Digital Culinary or Cooking Workshop. I'm glad everyone is here today. We have bloggers, we have writers from different publications, and thank you for joining us. And also thank you to Samsung for having this event. I guess we are very lucky today because our recipes are for the rainy season. But today the weather is fantastic. Knock on wood. It's bright and sunny. So anyways, the recipes that we have today is not only for the rainy season but for all occasions. But these are the recipes which you can find in your kitchen, usually in a cupboard or in your storage area. And of course, you just don't want to eat the same thing when you're stuck in the rain. You want something a little bit playful, a little bit creative, and something that will whet your appetite. So with simple ingredients, you don't need expensive, complicated ingredients. With simple ingredients, you can make wonderful dishes. And with a great appliance like Samsung Smart Oven, you will create many beautiful recipes. And it's so easy, it's so fast, and I tell you, you should get one Samsung Smart Oven. It's really the most practical digital appliance out there in the market. So, are you ready? Yes, okay. So, if everyone can just get their recipes, which is in their stations, and then after getting your recipe, please come forward and I will start my demonstration. Thank you very much. Yeah, recipes, very important, the recipes. So, we have 250 grams fettuccine or spaghetti, cooked according to package directions, drained, served with the sauce. Then, for the sauce, we have 1/4 cup each of mayonnaise and cheese pimiento, 1 can Campbell's cream of chicken soup. You can also use Campbell's cream of mushroom soup if you like, but this one I like the cream of chicken because it has the chicken flavor. For the topping, you have 1/2 cup each of quick melt cheese and chopped bacon. So for the procedure, combine and mix well the mayonnaise, the cheese pimiento, the chicken soup in a microwavable bowl. Cover with cling, put in Samsung Smart Oven, and set microwave mode at 600 watts for 2 minutes. Okay. Remove the cling and mix well. Return cling and put back the sauce in Smart Oven. Set to microwave mode again at 600 watts for 30 seconds up to 1 minute. Remove and mix with cooked pasta. Toss, top with the quick melt cheese and the bacon. So, we have here our microwavable bowl. Right. Okay. Kids, they love this recipe also. Very masarap. And you can keep this in the refrigerator up to 1 week. Okay, it does not spoil. Okay, we have the cheese pimiento. Okay. Scrape well. Okay, and we have the Campbell's cream of chicken. 1 can. So we scrape as much as we can. Yeah. Okay. And we mix it with our whisk. Every station has a whisk, so we just mix well. Okay. Then when it's one color, like this, we will get our cling. We will cover. The reason why we put cling so that it won't spatter inside the Samsung Smart Oven. Okay, just like that. And then we will bring it to our Smart Oven. Put it inside and re-close. Okay. Press the microwave, 600 watts. Okay. Then we time for 2 minutes. And then we press start. So just like that.
Ilang minutes agad? Ilang minutes pa?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yes. Follow the directions using the Samsung Smart Oven microwave mode. Okay. So of course, yung instant mashed potato, you can use the microwave to make the mashed potato. You can also use fresh potatoes, but the advantage of the instant mashed potatoes, hindi siya nasisira or napapanis agad. Okay, that's why we're using the mashed potatoes. Also, the kids like yung mas creamy na mashed potato. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon cayenne pepper. You know, this cayenne pepper gives it a little bit of a kick, extra flavor. You can also use paprika. If there's no cayenne pepper, paprika, or you can also use chili powder, same amount. If you don't want it spicy, kahit 1/4 teaspoon, or take it out na lang. Okay. Then, for the filling, we mix together in a bowl. We have 2 cups cooked chicken breast, 1/2 cup chopped button mushrooms, 2 tablespoons chopped basil, 1 can cream of mushroom soup. So for the procedure, put the filling in 4 ramekins. Ramekins is an oven-proof dish. Okay, you can use this in your Samsung Smart Oven. Okay, and readily available in your leading malls and also shops. Okay, they have it there. Kami, we got it as a crated barrel, so they have, and it's not expensive. It's less than 200 pesos. It's 100 something lang. So very nice. And it lasts forever. It can last up to 15 years. Just don't drop it lang. May konting disclaimer. Then you have also top with the mashed potato, 1 cup quick melt cheese on top of each potato. Put chicken pies in Samsung Smart Oven, set in microwave plus convection mode. So this one is the combination feature of our Samsung Smart Oven. We are using both microwave heat and convection heat. Convection is the fan right behind our Samsung Smart Oven, so it will help the circulation of the heat, which makes it cook faster. Okay? Then, we time it for 4 minutes, press the grill mode, and time 1 more minute. The grill mode naman, the heat will come from the top, which will make the cheese melt evenly. Okay, may torch pala tayo. Okay. Then later, we're going to torch it a little para may konting effect. Then, remove and top with fresh basil. Note, to cook the chicken, put 500 grams pounded chicken breast in oven-proof dish. Top with 1/2 cup oil or melted salted butter. But if you're health conscious, you can actually just remove the oil and just grill it as is. Set Samsung Smart Oven on microwave plus grill function and time 4 minutes. Invert the chicken and cook other half microwave plus grill function another 4 minutes. Cool, then chop. The wattage that we are using, if you're going to use the Samsung Smart Oven grill plus microwave function, is 450 watts. So I'll show you later, para you can see what I mean. So first thing we're going to do is we mix our spices together, our salt and our cayenne pepper. Again, if you don't want it spicy, you can replace it with even white pepper, if you like. Same amount, ½ teaspoon. And we mix it down. So I like to do this so that the taste will be balanced. And we sprinkle at least like half first. Okay. Then we add our mashed potato. Okay. And we simply wooden spoon. We'll give you gloves also later. Yeah. Mash with hands. Yeah, mash. Kamay na lang. Kung sa bahay, wala nakatingin, kamay na lang. Siyempre may crowd tayo, nabibideo pa eh. So, let's just use this one. So, mix when we mash. Enjoy. Agad-agad na spices. Mix and mash. You have to mix well so that the spices doesn't settle in one area. Cayenne. Oh, tantiameter. Ano mukhang okay.
4 dapat.
4.
Divided by 4. Divided by 4.
Kasi ibabaw ang... Kasi pag binaligtad mo siya, babaliktad mo siya after.
Yeah, you can.
Pag iba yung potato dun sa... So pag binaligtad mo, baliktad mo na sa ilalim.
Pwede rin. That's correct. And then you can use other ingredients aside from chicken. Again, you can use seafood, mixed seafood found in the frozen section.
Or pwede rin.
Yeah. And the frozen seafood, you don't need to pan fry or anything. You just put it directly. When you put it inside the smart oven, it will cook there. So very easy. Very kailan lutuin mo na ito? Ayan naman. Susutin natin. Simot.